All right, what's up, YouTube? I want to talk to you about this thing that I like to do. I like customizing things. And here's a little bit of my thinking about customizing, right? So, for thousands of years, people, our ancestors, they made their own clothes. They made their own clothes out of either animal hides, wove their own clothes, crafted them into fabric, and there was a lot of expression in people's clothing. They would express different cultural identities, mythologies from those cultures, as well as personal histories. There could be like people would have like stories on their clothing. So now we live in modern society where clothing is mass produced, and you might have like a plain white T-shirt and just like a plain pair of jeans. So whereas clothing used to share a lot of information, could share like marital status, what clan you're part of, lots and lots of information. I think now we are sharing less information in terms of individual information. Like, I had this crazy dream about this thing, and like it could have significance to you, but you're not, somebody has to have you tell them that story in order for you to bring up that story, and the sort of situation for you to bring up the story is a very like narrow situation that you might tell that story. If you wear that on your clothes, then it's kind of like a tattoo, that like something that's really significant. Oh, somebody asked you about it, and you can tell a story of something that's really significant to your life. So I think that customizing our clothes is really, really important, and I strongly encourage it. And I'm trying to do more of it. I'm a creative person, and I like to do a wide variety of things. So I like to be an artisan that my friends can come to if they want something customized. Like, they want a jacket and they want this thing on the back. I want to be the go-to person that friends, people I know, people I've yet to meet, can come to. And so on this channel, I want to show you how I customize some things. I have an idea. These glasses that I'm wearing, I painted them with nail polish. They used to be kind of translucent, like beige caramel color, and I painted them with neon orange and neon pink nail polish. And the really cool thing is, because they're painted with neon nail polish, if I go to a party where there's a black light, they glow. So that's something I definitely want to make a video of showing how I customize these. Like, how did I not get paint on the glass? I use some special tape. And I'm gonna make a video where I do that, and I'm gonna customize some glasses for my mom. She uses reading glasses, and she's a decorative painter. And I was thinking, oh, she uses cheap glasses because they fall into paint and they kind of get messed up. But I was like, if we made some really, really cool ones, she knows how to paint wood grain, and paint like imitation marble. And I was thinking, oh, if we did those kind of painting on her glasses, it's like somebody she meets in the train will just know instantly by looking at her what her trade is, or they can ask her about her glasses, and they just get a sense like right away what she's about. And it's like, don't judge a book by its cover, right? But let's make it easier for people to know what's inside the book if we're customizing things and making conversation starters with our super customized, personalized things. All right, so this was I just wanted to say this. More videos coming soon. I'm so excited. See you later.